This video demonstrates upgrading an E-mu Audity 2000 from version 1 to version 201 OS. I've already installed my custom boot ROM in the usually empty PLC socket here at U13, and now I'm just going to power cycle to demonstrate that it's running 1.00 currently. And here we can see the boot string, and it's loaded. Turn the unit off again now, and I'm now going to install a jumper here on W1 on the frontmost two pins, which enables booting from the boot socket. And when I boot now, you can see now it's actually running my own bootloader, and I press enter to continue, and once more following the warning which says that presets will be lost if you proceed. And now we have a menu which you can traverse using the cursor buttons. So menu option 1, show the current version. Number 2, show the flash chip ID. Number 3 actually performs the upgraded OS. And number 4 does a dump of the OS to MIDI. We'll just demonstrate a couple of those features first. Showing the current version, it's showing that it's got 1.00 installed currently. The show flash chip ID. Currently this only works with Micron Intel Flash with the ID 0089 and device ID 889D. Because there are actually two such chips, you'll see those duplicated twice. Now I'm just going to go straight to menu 3 and tell it to install the OS. There are a couple of warnings you have to go through here. This is at your own risk currently. It says do not interrupt the process, enter to proceed. And it's now erasing the two flash chips, which are these two here and here, which only takes a few seconds. That's verifying that those flash chips are indeed erased. Again, a few more seconds. And having confirmed that, it's now going straight into writing the flash memory. This does take a few minutes. If you're wondering, the numbers on the left-hand side are the offset into the compressed image file, and the right-hand side is showing progress into the firmware ROM. 200000 hex being 2 megabytes, so it's showing how far that's written in. So we have to wait for that to go all the way through 04, 05, 0F, and on 0, and then finally 1F, at which point the upgrade will be done. We're approaching the 25% mark. Now. The green save light on the right is indicating that it is actually writing to the flash memory. It also flashes when it's going through the erase cycle. So you can see that progress has been made. And that's the halfway mark. Three-quarters. And I'm nearly done. That's done. It's now verifying that the data that's been written to the flash memories is consistent with what was in the upgrade ROM. This is a fairly quick operation. And it's now there confirming that the CRC of the code that's been written and that this is a pass. If this had failed, it would actually say it was a fail. I hope that never happens. So just printer says install has succeeded, power off and remove W1. So I've now powered off. I'm going to remove the jumper. Turn it back on. It's going to tell us that it needs to reset the NVRAM because the RAM presets have been lost. And there we are now running 2.01. And that's it.